I think that I was the most nervous during the day, like with so much time to kind of overthink things probably. I think once I got to the stadium today and the boys started rolling in, and I don't know, they just filled me with confidence, you know, the way they were. They looked ready, and it was weird. I didn't really feel nervous from that point on, you know.
A huge week for this Rowdies franchise. They named Nicky Law as their new head coach. He starts with a major challenge tonight. FC Tulsa has won 5 consecutive matches. 1, 2, 3, Dennis bending it in. Lasso delivers the header to give the Rowdies the lead. Dennis for Jennings in position. Save made by Nelson, but